Let's do unboxing, guys, of this basket of fruits. Let's check what's in here. So those are the grapes, and they are good looking as well. We have banana. 4 bananas. We have kiwi. So banana. 2 kiwis. And pear. 1, 2, 3, 4 pears. 1 mango. We have 4 apples. And 4 oranges. And 4 tangerine. That's a lot of fruits. So this is her note. What a sweet lady.
What else in there?
We have grapes, kiwi, banana, pear, 1 mango, apple, oranges, and tangerine. How many altogether? 1, 2, 3, 4, 8, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 21, 22, 23 fruits, and then with this grapes. That's okay, that's a lot. And my favorite. Thank you, Nancy and Jeff.